Have you ever dreamed of owning your own flying machine? Also, I like to call it a time machine. That dream can become a reality, but before you go all Top Gun and blow your profits of the first shiny jet that you see, so here's a step-by-step guide to becoming an aircraft owner without feeling lost in the sky. Hello everyone, welcome to this new episode. Grab your notebooks, take notes, and get comfortable. This new episode is for those who are actually thinking of buying a new aircraft, used aircraft, now or in the future. Before we get started, like this video, follow us on social media, and visit our website. First things first, shiny jets are awesome, but they also burn a lot of cash fast. So be realistic with yourself and consider things, because one thing is to buy an aircraft, and there's a lot of aircraft that are affordable for a lot of people. So operating costs is another big factor. So here's a few things for you to consider. Operating costs are associated with the type of aircraft. Is this a single engine, a multi-engine, a turboprop, a business jet? How big is your jet? Now, those operating costs are associated with the type of aircraft. Things such as hangar, maintenance due, insurance, and last, your crew. As an aircraft owner, are you a pilot that wants to be part of the aircraft crew? This will allow you to enjoy your flying machine, but it also requires time. It lowers expenses, but it requires time of preparing the aircraft, the pre and the post the flight, but it also requires time for training, going to simulator. Research like a hawk. Don't just talk to your friend, to your partner, and find the shiniest jet out there in the market. Look for an aircraft that fits your current travel needs. Now, choose an aircraft that has the capacity to travel to your current destinations or to your regular destinations without stopping for fuel. Now, there's things to consider or questions for you to ask is that how many people are we traveling with on a regular basis? Now, is your closest airport home? Does it have enough runway for you to take off and land when fully loaded? So think about as a detailed aircraft inspection. This step is so important, so important. So appoint a certified aircraft facility that they'll be able to check the history of the aircraft, the current status of the aircraft, and the inspections coming due in the near future. Now, aircraft maintenance facility, they work for the best interest of the buyer in order to keep the standards of the industry, for the safety of the industry. Now, while the aircraft is being inspected, it is your shiny time for you to ask a lot of questions before you take possession of the aircraft. So you have found your dream airplane, but there's few discrepancies that showed up. So it's time to negotiate. Negotiate, but be reasonable. Keep the lines of communication open. Respect is key, but reasonable is a runway for a smooth deal. That's all for today. Comment below. Goodbye.